how to buy BasedBork token. So this token came under the symbol of Bork. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 6 hours ago and increased by 41,000% in the last 24 hours. This token trending number 1 in the base section. To be able to buy this token, we will go to Uniswap, as you can see here. Now what you need to do is just click on connect to connect your wallet. Select your wallet from here. I will use the OKX wallet. So here, as you can see, we can log into your wallet first. So click on connect. Now after you connect your wallet to Uniswap, what you need to do, if you don't see your token here, now just go back to this token page on the screener. Click here to copy the token address, go back, now click here and select the base as a network. Now paste the token address here. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it. Now click on check this and click on continue. Now here you can select the token that you want to buy with. For example, if you want to use USDC, and make sure that you have enough USDC, of course, on your OKX wallet. Now here you can type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token, or click on get started. So because I don't have any USDC on my wallet, I can't complete the buy process. So for you, just click on swap and a pop-up will appear here from your wallet to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy Bork token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in next video.